city of Mecca, a man known for his honesty and integrity, Abu Bakr stood firm in his belief. When others doubted the miraculous night journey of Prophet Muhammad, Abu Bakr's faith never wavered. He declared, "If he said it, then it is true," earning him the title Al-Sadiq, the truthful one. Years later, with the Prophet Muhammad, he embarked on the perilous journey of the Hijrah, the migration to Medina. They sought refuge in the cave of Thor, where Abu Bakr's loyalty and courage were tested. He carefully blocked all crevices, fearing any harm might come to the Prophet, even offering his own body to shield him. After the Prophet's passing, the Muslim community faced a moment of profound uncertainty and grief. It was Abu Bakr who stepped forward, reminding everyone of the unwavering truth of their faith. He was then chosen as the first Caliph, leading the Muslim nation with wisdom and justice. His reign was marked by crucial decisions that cemented the foundations of Islam, leaving a legacy of truth and steadfastness.
Let us unite in purpose.